All right, so in this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to use our two-way cutter to cut in both directions. This brilliant mechanism that we've designed here almost automates the whole process. So as you'll notice here, when the cutter pivots down and you rotate the red body, the body gets locked in place because the plunger lets go. And as soon as you bring it back up, the plunger is pulled by the magnets, allowing the front body to swivel. So as you'll see here, we have our red pulleys on the top of the cutter and the rolling bearings on the bottom. So simply rest the cutter on the anvil so that the rollers roll on the guide. Make sure the brake is locked in place at the distance where you want to cut. Pivot the body down. You'll notice that the plunger lets go of the magnets. Rotate the body in the right direction that you want to go and make your cut. Whenever you're ready to come back, simply open up the brake, pull out again back to your measurement. Now that the body is up, it can move freely. Rotate it, make sure it's in the locked position, and come back. It's as simple as that.